In this video I'm going to show you how to put an arrow on a picture in Google Docs. So the first step is of course add a picture into your Google Docs. You can do that by clicking on Insert, then Image and Upload from Computer. Now we will select an image from our computer. Let's select this one. And what we will do now is basically click again on Insert. Then you will go to Drawing, click on New. Now you can draw an arrow. You can do this by clicking on the Shape button over here. Go to Shapes, Arrows, and then your arrow. Now you can design your arrow. You can make it bigger by dragging it. You can make it thicker, but you can also just keep it like this. Once you have created it, you can use this option to make it smaller or bigger, but you can also rotate it by clicking on this and holding your left mouse button. Now we will make it a little bit like this. You can also change the color and the border color. And now you have created an arrow. So save it and close. And as you can see, the arrow is added into the Google Doc. But now we want to position this arrow above this picture so it can point towards the Formula 1 car. Select the arrow. Now you will go a little bit down to see the menu better, and there you have some options for the alignments. What we want to do is put it in front of text, and now you can drag it over the car and let it point towards it. You can also go a little bit up, move it a little bit more up, and if you would like to rotate it, then you have to go back to the edit and you can just select the arrow, turn it, position it to where you want. Now save it, and now you can place it over here. You can make it a little bit smaller to resize it to the image you are using. And now you have successfully put an arrow on a picture in Google Docs.